Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video all about our day 2 on the Disney Wish with Disney Cruise Line. Totally forgot to do an intro, so here we go. These views were absolutely spectacular when we were docking in Nassau. So we decided not to get off the ship today. So we will be exploring the Disney Wish, showing you tons of options that you can do. And my absolutely favorite is coming up very soon. But we just ordered some room service, watched the docking, and I highly recommend watching at least one docking either into Nassau or Castaway Cay. It was amazing and super cool. So after hanging out in our room for a bit, we head down to Marceline Market for some breakfast. Besides Donald's Cantina, breakfast is probably my favorite meal on the ship. There are so many different options and every single option is delicious. I'm not a huge breakfast eater at home, but every time we've been on the Disney Wish now, I am looking forward to breakfast. Those hash browns, delicious. Sausage, bacon. They even have salmon and the eggs. They have stir fry. Then you also have your wonderful pastries. Still dreaming of those cinnamon rolls every single day. Once I got my really fun coffee, we headed to my new favorite place on the Disney Wish, and that is the Rainforest room in the Census Spa. So this was our first time experiencing the Rainforest room, and you can purchase it for the day or for your entire cruise length. And it was amazing. So many fun different options within the room. There are heated beds, there are showers, there are saunas, there's like this really cold area. So anything that you want, it's available for you in there. It's not very cold in here, so that's good. The thing that I loved about the Rainforest room is it really does give you that spa experience without having to book a massage or anything like that. There are towels available for you. There is a dry sauna, a wet sauna. Again, tons of different like open showers with different rain heads. There are different enhancements that you can do. My mom and I actually, we got suckered in and we did them and it was so much fun. It was probably one of our favorite things that we did do, but we just had an incredible time experiencing the Rainforest room. We were in the main room most of the time, so we didn't get to use the jacuzzis outside this time. After our time in the spa, we headed back to our room, got refreshed a little bit, and then went down to the Disney Vacation Club member celebration. So if you are a Disney Vacation Club member, I highly recommend checking your Navigator app to see what time your member celebration is. It is always a fun trivia, at least it has been on the Wish for us. And it really is it's just like a fun little extra thing to do. You get free beverages, the new drink that's called Welcome Home. I really enjoyed it. So definitely make sure you check it out to not miss that extra special magic that you get on the Disney Cruise Line as a DVC member.
Is that you? You can't speak it. You should answer. Won't bring attention to you. Right, so what are you saying? Name one of your favourite Disney songs. Go the Distance. It's a really good song. We want to name one of your favourite. Right, we're going to name other people's favourite Disney songs.
You're a guest.
You're a guest. Also another absolute classic.
Oh my god.
Listen, I don't want you to get the third villain because you know we did.
Circle of Life.
Oh no, I don't know how far I'll go. Yes.
Circle of Once upon a dream.
Circle of life.
Remember that Xbox, yeah? Can we go there, however? So,
Circle of life.
right. Alright, I'm going to give you a clue. They don't know the answers, I do. So, what's the clue? I'm about to say you give me a second. We don't talk about someone.
Bruno.
What's that? What's we don't talk about Bruno? Yes. Let's see if we don't talk about Bruno. Yes!
Hey.
Right, so listen to this, right, this lady right here is going to be lovely answer. In fact, I'm going to sit closer, maybe you can say it into my microphone and my face because... Wow! Okay. What are you saying? Right. Let's see, is Europe on the board? Yay! Okay, very, very well done. But now, let's move on to our next bonus round. Let's make this one worth 600 points, shall we? That was not very exciting. I said let's make this one worth 600 points! Right then, so, this is our question. So this is a bit of a game of charades, let's go for winning. So, what are you going for?
Pride. Fun.
Memories.
Memories. You said another lovely one.
Family. Home.
Family.
Let's see. Is family on the board?
Hey.
Oh! No pressure right here. But you could win. Okay?
Welcome home. Home.
Name a word you associate with Disney vacation.
Home.
Welcome home.
Home.
You need an answer. Happy. Happiness.
Oh my
Happy. Anyway, let's see. It's very intense, isn't it? They're all waiting. Is happiness on the board? Yeah! Over 4,000 team adventures, you are the winner, but each one of our brilliant captains right here is going to receive a little green light. Give them a round of applause. You can head back to your table. So well today, I thought, how about a special little meet and greet with none other than Goofy! Hello, Goofy! How are you doing? Nice. There we go. Now, everyone, if you would like to meet Goofy, you are more than welcome to. All we ask is you make a cute jump down.
shrink down, go in, and kill Thanos in a really creative way. First of all, gross. Secondly, it's much more complicated than that. Allow me to explain.
If only we had the time.
Anyway, I want to shrink this suitcase and the swan to make it easier to take home.
Well, making it smaller would make it better. Friday, initiate power-up sequence.
Target acquired. Quantum cores are online. Prepare to push your buttons.
Ready? In 3, 2, 1, activate!
For dinner at Worlds of Marvel, I got the steam bao bun. I also got the broccoli. It's like a soup. I can't remember the exact name of it. And then the pasta, the golden majestic pasta with scallops. This is probably one of my favorite dishes.
Since Hope has stepped out for some fresh air, how about we surprise her and shrink my terrifying swan back to normal size before she gets back? Huh? Friday, boot up the cores.
Target acquired.
Let me just,
Quantum cores are back online.
activate your buttons now!
Because if you don't, it won't work.
And you did it.
But the regulator's fried. Oh, great. Can't believe it.
Show off.
At the rate you were going, you would have been here all night.
You know you could have paced things out, give the folks a little bit more of a show.
Menu.
Nah. Awesome. I think we're ready for dessert.
Technology works best when it lights the world together. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
That was over? What do you mean it's over? I just got it.
Captain America, Ms. Marvel, and Captain Marvel assisted us in saving the ship.
They did? Great. I just missed out on my Ultimate Avengers dream team.
You can always help Ms. Marvel with cleanup on the top deck.
Or, how about I supervise the search with these nice people here?
Splendid idea. Shall I play the victory playlist?
You have a victory playlist? Sure, hit it.
Starboard side, let me hear ya. Port side makes them now. Allow me to introduce you to the crew. Did you say something about the treasure?
On the 6th day of the 5th month, find 4 captains of the Caribbean Sea. Hooray, they must call out last. Place thy hand on the yo-ho!
So during Pirate Night, your second Pirate Parlay party will be the one that has your fireworks at sea. Absolutely a must do. It is just such a fun night. The first pirate party, like you saw earlier in this video, is definitely focused around Disney and the Disney characters. And then the second one is a much more of a party with Captain Jack and the fireworks. So it is a little bit later, but just make sure you get those naps in during the day so you don't miss out.
All right, here we go. We're going to keep going. And, ooh, name this TV show. Did you touch that then? You do, you missed it. Yes, Ali. Hannah Montana. Hannah Montana. Yes. Time for a physical challenge. Now, like I said earlier, these two contestants were dancing way more than our previous contestants in the last round. And did you know that Elvis is back in the building, everyone? Because we're going to see your best Elvis dance moves. Oh no, suddenly they're both sweating.
I've seen Forrest Gump many times.
But there you go, that's your inspiration. And now, like I said, you're going to give your best Elvis dance moves, but remember, I don't decide. Ben, also known as Joseph, doesn't decide. It is in fact the audience right here in Luna Lounge that decides who will get the final point. But before we get there, Ben, how are those scores looking? Any question? Your best Elvis performance on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
This was one of our favorite nights, so make sure you always check that Navigator app to see what's going on after dinner. After the fireworks at sea, we head down to Luna Lounge and caught the end of the trivia before karaoke started. It was just such a fun vibe. They have the bar open if that's your thing, and the cast members just make this such an incredible experience. Honestly, memories made forever. My mom and I still talk about this. All right, you guys, that's going to be it for day 2 on the Disney Wish. We had such an incredible time watching us dock in Nassau, going to the Rainforest Room for pretty much the entire morning and early afternoon. And then we loved the pirate party as we enjoyed going to World of Marvel. And then the karaoke and trivia at night were just so much fun. Always make sure you're checking that Navigator app because you never know what shenanigans are going on at the different lounges, but we just really enjoyed this day so much. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I hope you have a magical rest of your day. Bye.